So assuming you've logged in now, this will get you to your dashboard by default. One of the main things that I want to show you is how to move back and forth between your main interface and the dashboard. So if you're in the dashboard, that's this admin interface, and you want to be on your site, you click on your site name, and that takes you back to your site. And now you have your site, but since you're logged in, you get this bar up at the top that lets you know what you can do on this page in particular. But if you want to go back to the dashboard, you just click on it again. And so clicking on your website name will take you in and out of the dashboard. When you're in the dashboard, there are a bunch of different things over on the left. Only a few of them are particularly useful to you. Posts is going to show you special post types. I will circle back to that, but if I mention posts, it's the first thing you can get to in the dashboard. Media is where you upload your images. So all of your images are here. And if you want to add an image to the system, you're basically just going to hit New and Media. And then it'll let you drag and drop files right into the system. Links we're not using, pages we are using, but I don't edit pages through this interface, so I would ignore it. Comments, you can get to through this system. I don't generally use comments through this system, so I'd ignore it. Forms is your email form. This isn't something I expect you to administer yourself. Appearance is the theme that I set up. I don't expect you to use that yourself. Plugins, this thing is ways that I've enhanced the site. I don't expect you to use that yourself. Users actually shows you who all has access. So I am an administrator, and you and my wife are editors. We can change this around. So if you want to add folks, if you want to remove me or my wife from the system, this is where you would do it. You just edit our accounts and change our roles. You could also delete our accounts. You'll need to make yourself the administrator before you could delete me, though. Let's see. Tools is not going to be particularly useful to you. Settings is not going to be particularly useful to you. And then these are different specific widgets that I have involved. So mostly what you're going to be coming into the dashboard for is posts and maybe comments, but most of the other stuff I'll show you how to do through the front end of the website. So that concludes the video for the general tour of front end and back end.